This video is all about developing your understanding of factors. Factors are the numbers that times together in order to create a particular number. So for example, the factors of 12. The factors of 12 are all the numbers that times together in order to create 12. And the times tables that 12 is in is obviously the 1 times table and the 12 times table. Because it's an even number, it's also in the 2 times table, and 2 times 6 is 12, so therefore it pairs up with 6. It's also found in the 3 times table, so that is a factor, and it goes together with 4 in order to create the 12. And then it would go into the 4 times table. Because we have reached the 4 times table, it means we're starting to repeat the times tables that you will find 12 as a multiple in, so an answer in it. That means that we found all the factors of 12. Let's look at another one. Let's look at number 17. We need to find the factors of 17. Well, it's definitely in the 1 times table and its own times table, the 17's times table. So therefore the factors of 17 are 1 and 17. We could try the factor to see if the factor another factor is 2, but automatically we should know that because this is an odd number, there are no odd numbers in the 2 times table, so therefore it won't be in that one. We can try and see if it's in the factor in the 3 times table. So you can either count up in 3s for that one, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, definitely not in there because 18 is the closest you can get. Or you can simply divide 17 by 3 using your division method. If we try the 4 times table, but we know that the 4 times tables are only ever made up of even numbers, so we can cancel that out straight away. It's not going to be in the 5 times table because the 5 times table only ends with the answers are always ending in 5 or 0. In the 6 times table, it can't be in the 6s, as again that's an even number. 7 times table, well, we can count up if we're not sure. Well, 7, 14, 21. No, it's not a multiple of 7. 8 times table, well, they only have even number answers, so it can't be in that one. 9 times table, it can't divide by 9 because we've got 9 and 18. 18 is the multiple, so therefore 9 can't be a factor of 17. It can't be 10 because 10 multiples of 10 always end in 0, and 17 is obviously not ending in 0. We could look at 11, but we know the next one is 11, 22. It's not 12 because again they're even numbers. It's not 13 because we would have 13, and then the next multiple is 26, which is way beyond 17. It can't be 14. It can't be 15, it can't be 16, and now that we've reached 17, we know that we found all the factors of 17. There are only 2 of them because it's a prime number. There is only 1 and 17. Factors then are the numbers, so we could put the n that times or multiply together to create a specific number or a product. The best way is to look at each times table. You can use quick clues so that you're efficient. You can use your division method. And if you're logical and you go through each times table, then you should be able to quickly work out the factors no matter what number or product you're given.